how to play Laser Tracer in Stumble Guys. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can play Laser Tracer in Stumble Guys, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, to play Laser Tracer in Stumble Guys, stay alive on a small central platform above Acid by jumping and dodging moving lasers that increase in speed and number over time. Touching any laser or falling into the acid eliminates you. Last longer than your opponents to win. The core rules is to avoid laser. Touching a laser means basically instant elimination. You must also watch the flow, which means that stay on the solid middle plate. The acid underneath means automatic loss. Rounds start slow with few lasers but speed up and multiply rapidly. And this way you can play Laser Tracer in Stumble Guys. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.